Do you remember the sounds of Professor Longhair? Henry Roland Byrd, known as Professor Longhair, was a seminal New Orleans blues pianist and singer. Born in 1918 in Louisiana, his piano style mixed rumba, mambo, and calypso, influencing many, including Fats Domino and Dr. John. He started his music career in 1948, gaining the nickname Fess, and recorded iconic songs like Mardi Gras in New Orleans. Though never a commercial hitmaker, his influence on music and musicians was profound and acknowledged widely. After a hiatus and personal struggles, he experienced a career resurgence in the 1970s, performing at major festivals and recording acclaimed albums. He passed away in 1980, but his legacy includes a Blues Hall of Fame induction and a Grammy, influencing countless artists and genres. His unique blend of blues with Afro-Cuban rhythms left an indelible mark on New Orleans music and beyond. Follow us for the best Louisiana content.